put on some hey guys, it's been a while since we worked on a Type R. Anyway, I'm gonna be putting a front pipe on the car. It's a PRL part. It comes with this. With a bolt and a sticker. Put that away. Nothing crazy, just a PRL front pipe. For this kind of work, it's very easy to do. Make sure you do a safety, safety jacks, lower the jacks kind of thing. Anyway, 14 millimeters, 3. Just loosen this side right here, and then you can see it right over there. Total of 6 bolts, very easy to do. Let's remove it now and put the new one in. I heard that it's actually a lot lighter for the PRL, 3 pounds lighter, so 3 pounds off. It's basically the weight of your shit. But anyway, oh my god, I have a leak right here. What the fuck, is that a leak? So far so good. So this is disconnected. Reason for that is because we have a mod right over here that connected to the top, to the ECU. All right, so ow, I'm gonna remove it with the impact. Easy peasy. 1, 2. I've done this before because we had to put a down pipe on it, you know. Then do the other side, and then the back, the rear. Make sure you remove this this bolt right, oh sorry, this bolt right over there. That's the 10 millimeter on each one on each side to kind of like loosen up the heat shield, and it will give you a lot of room to put back the rear of the exhaust of the front pipe. Oh. All right, so this right here, I think there's 3 of them. I think with the impact wrench is a lot easier. Without the impact wrench, oh my lord, this shit will be a bitch. You know what I mean? There's 3 of them. There we go. Now we're off. There you go. All right, so there's this hanger over here, the rubber. Make sure you lube it with WD. Oh, damn. All right, I wish I had captured the video, because to take this out, there's no right way or wrong way to do it. Anyway, and wiggle and pull, it will come off. And to compare the two, let me see how heavy this, oh yeah, it's pretty substantial amount of weight. Yeah, it's a lot lighter. So I'm assuming this will be a lot more louder than the factory. And don't forget to take this out. I'm gonna reuse it. All right, so PRL says to remove this before installation. It's like a little warning thing. Take you out. So I'm gonna be properly installing it, PRL. And then put back the 14 millimeter that comes with it. And let's go do the front. It was kind of easy to put it on. Not too hard without just removing the heat shield. The front is back on. Use the actual gasket that comes with it, because it comes with it. And then I lubed the rubber hanger to put it back. So we are done here, and then we're gonna go work on top just to put the MAF sensor. Is it a MAF sensor? Yeah, let me find that. The Hondata MAF sensor. So I'm gonna put the belly cover and then that's it. I did not actually remove the whole thing, so I was able to work in it with this plastic cover on. All right, so this is the new Hondata MAF sensor. So we're gonna put this on and we're gonna go get the car tuned today. So retune actually. So it's really easy to do. Just remove 2 of your Phillips screws. Be careful not to drop this on there. It's gonna be a pain to get to retrieve it back. So let's put this on. Let's remove the old one. Take this out. Here's the factory one. So if you guys ever wonder, there is a factory number. PBT GF40. Holy shit, this thing doesn't fit. Modification time. All right, it actually fits. It's just really snug. So there's a rubber piece on there that you're just gonna have to put it in first and just drop it. Boom. It's made by Hitachi, same maker as the Honda, I'm assuming. So, ooh, please don't drop this freaking little bolt. And if I do, I'm screwed. There you go. That's the snap we're talking about. Ready to go. Let's go get it retuned. I'm in shutter. Close the hood. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that helps you on how to put on your front pipe, including your Hondata. I mean, the Hondata is basically simple, plug and play. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I will catch you on my next video. Please subscribe if you can. Please subscribe. Help me out on my channel. Grow. I'll catch you on my next video. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.